Hey everyone, Kyle here. In today's video, I am going to show you how to add or insert page numbers in Word from a specific page. So let's get started. So now here we are on Word, and from here to do this, what we need to do is first identify on which page you would like to start the page numbering. So in my case, I'll just go for page number 4 right here. So what I'm gonna do is select here at the top right here, and then once you have done that, click here on Layout and click on the breaks, and from here click on next page under section breaks. And then once you have done that, you want to go now into the insert right here, and from here you would now want to go with page numbering, which is right here, page number. And then from here you can go for the top of the page depending on where you would want the page numbering to be placed on your pages. So in my case, I'll just go for top of page, and then you can select the format right here. In my case, I'll just go with plain number 1. And then here we go. We can now see the page numbering right here. So we would want to start it from here. So what we can do is that select that, and then click here on page number, click on format page numbers, and click here on start at, and just click here and make sure that it's number 1 and click OK. And then as you can see, it is now starting from number 1. And then from here, as you can see, it says same as previous. You want to click here first on link to previous. You want to disable that, and then it will now be gone. So now all that's left is to remove this and remove the others right there. So now it's all good. So now, as you can see, we now have the page numbering right here. It starts at page number 4, 2, 3, and then as you can see, and so on. So yeah, that is basically it on how you can do it. Thank you for watching.